Okay, welcome to another tutorial. I'm Karthik Avinash S, and today I'm going to show you how to install Oracle Database 11G Express Edition and unlock the HR schema and use all the tables in the HR schema. See, when you usually install Oracle Database, the HR schema is not present. It is there, but it's locked. So first of all, go to the download site, this the Oracle download site, and we'll be needing the Express edition. There are two versions. One is the professional edition, which is almost 2 GB, and this one is the 316 MB file, which is a Express edition setup. So you go here and download for Windows or for Linux platforms. So just click on the downloads and use your Oracle ID which you've used to download Java and other files. And once it's downloaded, we have the Oracle Express Edition here. Right click on it and say extract it. So let's first extract all the files to any directory as you want it. Say if you're having any troubles while extraction, if you're using WinRAR or WinZip, or even if you're using 7-zip like me, if you're having any CRC errors, then it means your file is not downloaded properly. So try to download it again. Delete the old file and try to download it, or try another location or something like that. So it's down now extracted into this folder, and we'll have a folder inside called disk1. You open this folder, and here's the setup file. This is a one-click setup file. You don't have to do anything during the setup, except at one point of time, it'll ask for a password, which is your sys password. That is your system password, which you will be using later on. So make sure you remember the password. And once the setup is done, you go to your programs and Oracle database. So this should open by default. The get started page should open. It's a localhost page, so it'll open in your browser and it'll look like this. So if you see, you click on storage, it'll ask you to log in. So here you have to enter the username as system and the password that you entered while the setup. In my case, it's just test123, so I just enter and log in. So once I go into the storage, you can see all the different table spaces. So the one we are interested in right now is the users table space. Click on the users table space and you can see we have all the tables that we are using for the lab exercises. The employees, the locations, and the departments table is there, and the jobs table is also there. So we can make use of this to do to practice our lab exercises on the local system. I'll show you how to unlock the HR schema. So what we'll need to do is first start the database. Let's go to programs and Oracle and see, click on start database. So your database is started. You should get like a prompt like this, and let's start the SQL Star Plus engine. So let's type SQL Plus. So I told you already that the HR schema is not working. So if you try to log into your HR schema with the username HR and password HR, it will not open. So let's first log in into the system with the password that you gave in while installing the Oracle database. So we are logged in here, and all we have to do now is to unlock the HR schema. So I'll show you how to do that. It's just a simple command. So you just type in alter user HR identified by the password, that is HR account unlock. So this will unlock your HR schema. You can now exit from the system account, and let's try to log in to the HR schema using the username HR and the password HR. As you can see, now the HR schema is unlocked and it's connecting. So let's see if we have all the tables. Let's say describe employees, and you can see all the columns that were there in our lab exercises. So DESC departments, and the departments table is there. Let's check for locations. Even that is there. So you can see you can use all the HR schema tables. I'll also show you how to work on the Windows environment. So first you go to some drive, maybe E drive or C drive, any drive, and just make a folder named SQL. So here I've made the folder named SQL. So let's make a .sql file, new text document, and I'll name it test2.sql. Click on yes. Open the file. Now we can type in our queries over here. Let's say select star from employees where department underscore ID equal to 80. Save this and close the file. So now let's try to run the test2.sql file. Exit from here and let's change the root directory. Type in cd slash and let's go to the E directory and cd sql, that is the name of the folder. That is where we have the test2.sql file. So now let's connect to SQL Plus using HR. So once it's connected, let's try to run the file test2.sql, and there you go. The number of employees whose department ID is 80. So that's about it. You can also download Toad for Oracle. It's a GUI based editor, so it takes it has a very good interface, and you can also type in your queries in that and use our Oracle. I think this will be my last video in the group, so I hope all of you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.